Here's a Tai Chi move called grasping the bird's tail. So first I'll just show the footwork. So starting on the right leg, the right foot's going to be pointed out to the corner, turned at a 45-degree angle. I'll begin in a nail stance. Left foot's going to step forwards into a bow step. And then to repeat the movement, you would do the 5 directions. Repeating again. Now adding in the arm movements. The hands are going to make a hold the ball position. So palms are facing each other. Could be a small ball or a big ball. Doesn't matter. Coming into that nail stance. So from here I'm going to step to the bow step. Left arm's going to come forwards and up as the right hand presses down. Shifting forwards. From here repeating the movement. So just with the left arm, it's going to scoop underneath, palm facing up, coming to the front, palm facing inward. And here the elbows drop. So I'll just give a front view for a second. The forearm doesn't go parallel with the floor. As you'll notice, when the elbow lifts up, the shoulder wants to lift. But we want to keep the shoulder relaxed. Turning here, repeating that movement a couple more times just with the left arm. So the hand ends up making a circular movement, ending here with the palm facing in. With the right arm, so here in the forward position of the bow step, the right hand has the palm facing down. As you shift back, right hand's going to circle around on top. Shifting forwards, the right hand presses down. So the right hand also traces a circle here, scooping onto the top of that imaginary ball. So both hands together makes a bit of a figure 8. As you circle both hands around. So here, coming into the hold the ball position, both hands are facing each other. And this position, it might also be called embrace the moon. That's another name for it. As I shift forwards, the hands pass in front of each other, but they don't make contact. So just passing here, repeating that movement. So reversing here for a moment. So back to the snail stance. The move could also begin from here. I'll show that once more. Stepping out into the bow step. Grasping the bird's tail. And then when you're in the bow step, you could repeat the movement. Here, as you shift forwards and backwards, the hips are going to stay at the same height above the floor, so there's no bobbing up and down. And here, you could actually step up into a nail stance. So emptying the weight out of the right foot, bringing all of the weight into the left foot, stepping up. And here the right hand comes, you're going to hold the ball on the other side. So here I could step to the corner, repeating the movement on the other side. If I step to the side here, I'm going to have to adjust my left foot. So pay attention to that. I'm going to have to slide the heel back, bringing the left foot to a 45-degree angle. And then might be a little awkward doing moves on the opposite side in Tai Chi. Let's see. Here we go. Repeating the move on the other side. Tai Chi sequences are usually just done on one side. And one more time, grasping the bird's tail.